Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 modern take on an iconic 4x4. Let's dive in and see if this beast is worth the hype. Car details. First up, the 2025 FJ40 combines retro charm with cutting-edge tech. Built with a durable frame, it blends rugged off-road capability with sleek, modern upgrades. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful turbocharged engine that promises both strength and efficiency. Exterior. Looking at the exterior, this Land Cruiser is all about presence. Its bold, boxy design stays true to its heritage, with that classic front grille and high-clearance wheel arches. But with LED lights, modern bumpers, and aggressive tires, it's ready to tackle any terrain while looking good doing it. Interior. Inside, the FJ40 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. The cabin is minimalist, with durable materials perfect for adventure, but the tech inside is top-notch. A large touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system and premium upholstery make it surprisingly comfortable for those long driver. Comfort level. Comfort. It's definitely there. The ride is smooth even on rough roads, thanks to upgraded suspension. Plus, the seats are supportive and spacious, making this a great choice for both off-roading and road trips. Performance. Cut to shots of the FJ40 in action, tackling rough terrain and winding roads. Narrator. Now, let's talk performance. With a powerful engine, 4WD system, and rugged suspension, the 2025 FJ40 dominates any terrain, whether you're cruising through the city or conquering the toughest trails. Its handling is precise, and it feels unstoppable on the dirt. Conclusion. Cut back to the FJ40 parked in a scenic spot. Narrator. To wrap things up, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a perfect mix of classic design and modern performance. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just need a reliable, stylish ride, this Land Cruiser is sure to impress. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews like this one. See you next time.